So you go out to eat, the waiter puts the tofu in front of you, and you as respectfully as possible say, excuse me, this isn't what I ordered. And the waiter goes, you get what you get, you don't get upset. And turns around. How many of you right there, it's not even really happening, but you felt your whole body like, so why is it okay for us to say that to the kids, but it's not okay for the waiter to say that to us? Well, because our programming, because our brain says things like, well, I'm an adult, I'm an educator, I'm taller, I can say, do as I do, not as I say. All these different things that come out of our mouth. But what happens is that when you say to a child, you get what you get and you don't get upset, you get what you get and you don't throw a fit, the child is crushed. So why do we say that? Why do we say things to kids? How many of you have heard somebody say, I'm sure nobody here, what did I just tell you? What did we just talk about? Why do I have to talk to you again about this? Every single time that you say something like that to a child, does it benefit them at all? No, so why would we as a loving human being that chooses to work with kids do that? Very simple, dopamine. Dopamine. It's a drug in our body. That's it. Anytime you feel like you're right and you make somebody else wrong, your brain goes da-da, and then it sends a message, maybe not that noise exactly, but it sends a message from your brain into your body to release dopamine. So when you say to a child something like, what did I just tell you? And of course, you're not gonna squat down and have that conversation with the child. You're gonna tower over the child. And then the child gets nothing, you get a rush of dopamine and the child is crushed.